Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video. And if you're into Huck's World, and listen up, people, we're trying to get you ready for the Monday grind. And we got a nice casual dress down everyday watch face for you all to download. And yes, it is free for the taking in the Gear Manager store. All right, you all. Now the name of the watch face is called AY003. It's an 8-in-1 watch face is what they're calling it. And yeah, it's a nice look. This is not going to be for the runner in you. So if you're looking for something that's going to give you step activity information, this is not the watch face. But it does look nice for everyday work week watch face. It's not a bad look. And in the AOD mode, you're going to get a nice look as well. Now, when the watch face is on, I do like what's going on around the bezel of the watch. I do like that theme. It definitely stands out and has a premium look as well, in my opinion. But you're going to get 3 dials, right? You're going to get your seconds, you're going to get the day of the week and your date in that dial, which looks awesome. And right here, you're gonna get your battery percentage. Now, I like the theme of it all. I do like the hands. The hands have a luxury look and feel as well. Now, the video isn't gonna do it justice because inside the hands, it's red. It's a hint of red, which really makes this watch face stand out. It looks really nice, and you can customize the color theme of it as well. So we're gonna cycle through just to give you an idea of what you're gonna be in for. That one looks nice. Now, for a dress-up watch face, that last one looks really beautiful. This one looks awesome as well. We're going to cycle through all of them just so you can see what you're going to be downloading for the work week. Not bad at all. Offers quite a few colors, but I like the theme. This theme is pretty nice as well. So what do you think, people? All right, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this watch face. All right, and if it's a download, or leave it right where it's at. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.